It's acres and move makers. It's acres and move makers. I deal with land flippers, acres and move makers, room shakers, big boys with huge paper, the newspapers. You can run but can't escape us. We winning with these flash green when they act racist. Success is so contagious. Let's go. It's acres and move makers. Welcome to Acres and Move Makers. My name is Ray.
My name is Jay.
And we are
Acre Boys.
Today we want to cover how we invest virtually.
You know, that's one of the number one questions that we always get about our business, right? We tell everybody that our business is a virtual business, and they always wonder, how do you go ahead and purchase property without seeing it? That's like the number one question, right? You got to realize, y'all, we are living in the information age. We are living in the digital age. There are so many resources available to you online that you probably are not aware that they actually exist, even from a due diligence perspective, right? Because even whether we're checking whether the property's in the flood zone, whether it has access, whether what's adjacent to the property, whether we're talking about comps, topography, or slope, I can clearly view a lot of those things just based off of my computer. Now, let's just say I'm speaking from a Google Earth image, right? And I see that the Google Earth image they have, you know, let's just say the shot that I'm getting on Google Earth is 2010. There's a way that you can actually go ahead and slide that up if the image is available and get a fresh shot from 2023, 2024, or whatever the case may be. Just see, because sometimes those images, those satellite images, create huge value to us as investors, being able to see what's exactly on the land, measuring slope, everything like that. So yeah, this is how we have done over 400 transactions and only seen one property in person, and everything is virtual, from the way that we close the properties, from the way that we analyze the properties, everything about the business, which makes it comfortable for us, whether I'm on vacation, whether he's on vacation. It's all done virtually. Ourselves, when we were looking for a business, we were not looking for everything that's in like a brick and mortar kind of thing. We were looking for something that allowed flexibility, or whatever the case may be. And this is what we fell into, because we always love real estate. This is what we fell into as far as flexibility, because we can do it wherever we are in the world.
I absolutely love the virtual-based, home-based business model. It allows me to set my own schedule. It allows me to pick up my kids from school. That's what I absolutely love about it. But the question is, how do we do this virtually? All the tools are here. It is 2024. Every tool that you need to see things from behind your own computer screen in your own home is available to you. Whether that's somebody picking up the phones for you, there's virtual offices. There is no excuse for you not to be successful, especially in the land business these days. How cool is that you don't have to physically go out and see properties? Certain from an auction tax deed investing standpoint, there are certain auctions that you still have to go to in person. A lot of the auctions have moved to online. Not every place have done it that way yet, so there's still in-person auctions. If you want to go down that route and you want to do some tax deed or tax, whatever your investment strategy is, tax liens, tax deeds, whatever your investment strategy is, some of these places you still have to physically be there. But for us, we concentrate on what they call the over-the-counter list, meaning that we can buy it straight from online. So it's virtual-based business. Every tool that you need to be successful. I won't say that this is 100%, but I would rate this as what we can see in making. I call them great guesstimations. We're in between 95 to 99% accurate with the tools that's available. Yeah, I would say that. I would give that rating with things that we have at our leisure to use.
Yeah, for sure. And I think that also too, there's two fundamental ways that we actually invest in land. One is from a tax deed perspective. The other one is going directly to the actual owner. And the reason why this is even available is because you have to remember, if we were dealing with a structure, I would have to worry about the integrity of the structure, what's on it, whatever the case may be. You got to remember, y'all, we are investing in dirt. This is one of the most low maintenance industries that I have ever seen in my life. We buying dirt. We purchase it as is and sell as is. So how much maintenance does a piece of actual land actually need? Not much maintenance at all. But if I was a house flipper or whatever the case may be, house flippers they're gonna have to worry about a lot more than we do inside of our space, because now they're dealing with sheetrock, plumbing, electrical, roofs, sewer, all of these different kind of things. But what we do is grab up the dirt, which is the primary asset. We sell to the builder, whether it be a regular person, a recreational track, or whatever the case may be. And even when there is a need for boots on the ground inside of any county or state, whatever the case may be, we also outsource that out to land brokers as well, because they're able to go there, be our boots on the ground and our eyes and ears to what's going on. And why will they work with us? They'll work with us because they are commission based. If we are investors that are inside of this actual area, what happens is we go ahead and give them a call, let them know that we're investors inside of the area. We're going to get a lot of deals, and we want to go ahead and streamline the process through one person, so I'm not all over the place for everybody giving me evaluations. In turn, for them working with us, we will go ahead and give them the listing for the property, and that is exactly how they get paid. No listing, no money. So that's exactly how we keep this virtual.
So if you find the content to be valuable, like,
comment,
share, help us grow
this channel
page. We'll continue to provide you guys with as much as free content as we could.
That's right.
So remember, invest in dirt.
It's the cleanest way to make money. Peace out.